Is your world black and white or color? Do you see shadows and shapes, depth and dimension? How do you see your world? A trend that started 20 years ago with balayage and ombre still is a vibrant part of every hair colorist's world. But how do we make the lived-in look expensive and seamless? Will the color technique and application withstand straight, sleek hairstyles? Or are we grateful that any imperfections can be hidden in the common beach wave? Where do you shadow to complement the face shape? How light is good without compromising shine and the condition of the hair? Struggling to create that lived-in look? Discover the secrets of effortless blending. Don't let Instagram photos leave you guessing. Master the art of lived-in hair color in just one day. Ditch the guesswork. Elevate your color game. Understand the techniques that dominate Instagram and ensure your client leaves with that lived-in color they crave. Get hands-on experience during our one-day bootcamp and learn practical skills you can apply immediately. Learn from the color master, Max Massano. We look forward to seeing you online.